most common way to use the PUC2 line is the connection to an analog mixing console. That's what many DJs or radio stations do to get highest audio quality with 192 kHz and 24-bit. On the digital panel you find AES EBU I/Os along with the USB port. On the analog side you get 2 analog I/Os on XLR, so that means you don't need any adapters or breakout cables. Use PUC2 line with your analog mixing console by connecting it to your computer via USB. Then connect the console to its in and outputs. Since PUC2 is USB powered, there are fewer cables to connect, so you get exceptional performance and maximum safety without any workspace clutter.